Hi students, in the last video we have discussed about articles, definition of articles and order of articles, types of articles, and we have seen countable nouns and uncountable nouns. So in this class you are going to see the articles in detail. First one is the use of article an. An is an indefinite article. So where we have to use an. We have to use an before the word which starts with a vowel sound. Remember, vowel sound. I am stressing here sound. Here sound is very important to identify an article or to write an article. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. So let us see the examples here. Here A sound here. What is the A sound? A. An apple, an airplane. A also. Apple, airplane. Here E. Here an egg. We can produce E. A. Egg. Here I. An ice cream. I sound. Here O. An O. An orange. A sound also we can get. Here it is very important U, but we have to pronounce as A. An umbrella. Whenever U comes, if it pronounces as A, then we have to use an. If it is pronounced as U, then we have to use it as a consonant. So it's very important while writing an before U. You have to first pronounce the sound, then you have to use an or a according to the sound. So this A, E, I, O, U. Before these vowels, we have to use an apple, an egg, an ice cream, an all, an umbrella. Here A sound. It is also, an is also used before abbreviated words. Whatever the letters may be. Here, see here, MLA. M means here consonant. But here before abbreviation means an MLA means single. So before abbreviated words we can use an MLA, an MP, an SBA manager, an officer. So before abbreviated words we can use an. And there are some exceptions while using an. Here an hour. Why here H is there? This is a consonant. But here H is a silent letter before O. That's why here we have to see only the sound, A sound here. So we can use an before hour. We have to pronounce as hour, not hour. We have to pronounce as hour. So like that, an honest person, honest, not honest, honest person, an honorable man. So we have to pronounce A before an. So this H becomes a silent word. That's why we can use an before our honest person and honorable person. So here one thing you have to remember, vowels. Vowels means A to OW. Telugu letters A to OW. Whatever the sound produces, we can use an. Coming to article A. When we will use the article A before the words which starts with a consonant sound. Sound here. Here I am again stressing sound is important here. If we get A to OW sounds, then we have to use an. So here before the article A is used before the words which starts with a consonant sound here. These are the consonants. Other than A, E, I, O, U, the remaining letters in a English alphabet are considered as consonants. So we have to use A before countable nouns. Already we had discussed about countable nouns in the earlier class. A pen. So before a countable noun we have to use A. Before common nouns, a boy, girl, teacher, student. These all are common nouns. So before common nouns also we have to use A. And singular things, singular persons, a boy, a pen. Before singular things we have to use A cycle. And while qualifying a noun, example, he is a king. Who is he? He is a king. He is qualified as king. So while qualifying the noun, we can use A. Next, while writing nationality, a Chinese, a French. But we should not write a Indian. We have to write an Indian. Why? Why we have to write an Indian? Here, what is the sound here? I, E, Indian, E. So here what I am saying is, while before keeping A and we have to observe the sound of the letter. And here also there are some exceptions. Here U, a European, a university. Here before this is E means oval. But here we are keeping A. Why? Because here the sound is U. So whenever the sound produces for U, when the sound produces A, then only we have to write an. If it is U, you have to keep A. The same thing for university also. And here a 1 rupee. Here O is a oval, but here sounds Va. So that's why here we used A 1 rupee coin, a one-eyed. Here the sound is Va. So that's why here, even though they are ovals, here the sound is very important. So based upon sound we have to use A and an. So this is about A and an in the indefinite article. Now we can see the definite article. The. It is used before unique things. The universal truths, the sun, the moon, the God, like that. Next, before oceans, seas, rivers, waterfalls. Example, the Pacific Ocean, the Ganga River, the Arabian Sea, the Niagara. And before the historical places, the Red Fort. And before the monuments, the Taj Mahal. And before the ordinal numbers, first, second, third. So like that they are ordinal numbers. So before the ordinal numbers we have to keep the. And before the superlative degree. Superlative degree means it's a comparison among all the things. So it is a best thing. So while writing superlative degree, best is the superlative degree. So before best we have to compulsorily we have to use the. So for unique things and specific, for unique things and specific things we have to use the. Dear children, you should know the omission of articles also in some certain places. In some certain places, certain areas we have to omit the articles. Proper nouns. Example, Everest. We should not use the Mount Everest. We have to use only Everest. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. So we should not use here. Before proper nouns we should not use any article. And before uncountable nouns, this already we have discussed. Before uncountable nouns we should not use article. So advice. Before advices also we should not use. Next, material nouns. Like gold is precious metal. we should not use the gold is precious metal or a gold is precious metal. We should not use the article before a material noun. Again there is a specific in this, we will discuss later. Next, abstract nouns. Before abstract nouns also we should not use any article. Knowledge is power. We should not say the knowledge is power. So before meals, the lunch, we should not say the lunch, the dinner, the breakfast. We should not use before meals, before seasons, the spring, the autumn, like that. And before languages, the Telugu, the Hindi, the English, we should not use any article before language. We have to use only Telugu, Hindi, English. And colors, before colors, we should not use the red color. We have to say only red color. So these are the areas where we should not use the articles. We have to omit the articles. But there are some exceptions in this omission of articles also. See here I have gave some examples. I bought dash diamond ring yesterday. Here diamond, already we discussed. Material noun gold. Material nouns, before material nouns we should not use any article. But here diamond is there, but here you gave blank. Why? Because the diamond is used as a thing. How it is used? It is used in a ring. Okay, so there when the material is used in a thing or used as a thing, then we can use a article. Here a. But while writing only as a metal or as a material, we should not use an article that gold is precious. We are saying about only gold. We are not saying about anything. But here we are diamond ring. The diamond is in a ring as a thing. So then we can use an article. And another also. Here knowledge of Swami Vivekananda is well known. Here already we also discussed it. Before knowledge we should not keep any article. But here there is a blank. That means here the knowledge. Why I am keeping here the? Here after knowledge what it is there? Preposition. So when this abstract word is when preposition comes after an abstract idea, then we can use a article the. After any noun, if it followed by of, in, with, which, then we can use the. If you remember these two, then it is very easy to identify the articles. I hope you have understood the articles a and the omission of articles.